Gavin is back.
Good afternoon, Miss Linda. This is Gavin over at William Mizell Ford. Got your request online earlier. Sorry, I was busy with a guest. Tried to get out here as quick as I could to shoot you a video of this 2015 F-150 Lariat that I have here in stock. This truck has 31,000 miles on it. Does the EcoBoost. FX4 package. Does have your backup camera, tailgate step. You can also has the remote tailgate. Has your blind spot radars on it. It does have your sliding rear window. This truck actually came from Augusta. One of our customers from up there come down and got a new one. It does have the sunroof. Has remote start as well. And again, my name is Gavin. I'm here at William Mizell Ford. My number is 706-554-2114, or you can reach me on my cell at 706-496-4737, and I'll be glad to go over the rest of the options on this vehicle for you. And I may also mention that I do have a pre-owned Raptor as well. I see that you were interested in a Lariat or Platinum. Look forward to hearing from you, and have a great evening.